So guys, I only have to do this a couple more times. My dad wanted me to play the blue scale, so here I am, and I'm gonna play the blue scale for you. Backwards and forwards.
Make sure you use right fingers, buddy. Good correction.
So guys, it's just the blue scale backwards and forwards. If you want to see this on YouTube again, we're gonna be making copies of it and sending it out to YouTube. But it's like you'll see it over and over again. You might see it twice in the same area because we'll make copies of it. Bye guys.